Solving linear equation. Welcome to Home of Math. Today we are going to solve these three linear equations where we will find out the solution set. Number 9, number 1 to 8 we already solved and you will get the link in description box. First, 2x plus root 2 equals to 3x minus 4 minus 3 root 2. Okay, now 2x and 3x is a variable, we will transfer one side, so 2x minus 3x equals minus 4 minus 3 root 2 and minus root 2. So this one 2x minus 3x, it will be minus x, right? And here is minus 4, and look, here is minus 3 root 2 and here is minus root 2. So this one we can write minus 4 root 2. Okay, then minus x equals to what? We can take common minus 4. So here is 1 minus root 2. Okay, 1 plus root 2 because we already take common minus. So we can write x equals to 4 times 1 plus root 2. Okay, here we are multiplying minus 1 both sides, right? So we can write multiplying minus 1 both side. Okay, so this is our equation set. So equation set is x equals to 4 times 1 plus root 2. This is our answer. So number 9. Number 10, z minus 2 divide z minus 1 equals to 2 minus 1 divide z minus 1. Okay, so this fractional expression, look, we can write z minus 2 divide z minus 1, and this minus 1 by z minus 1 we can transfer to left side. So we can write plus 1 divide z minus 1 and here equals to 2. Okay, then here is z minus 1 and z minus 1 we can make LCD. So z minus 1, so here is z minus 2 plus 1 equals to 2. Now look, z minus 2 plus 1, it will be minus 1 equals to, here is 2 z minus 1, just cross multiplication. Now look, z minus 1 and here is 2z minus 2. So z, 2z we can transfer to left side, so 2z minus 2z and here is minus 2 plus 1. So here is z equals to minus 1. Here is minus z equals to minus 1. Now look, once we multiply both sides by minus 1, z equals to 1. We can write multiplying both sides by minus 1. But it's a very important thing is that z equals to minus 1 is not possible, because look, if we put z in here, look, so it will become 1 by 0. Look, 1 divide z minus 1. What does mean? It means 1 and z equals to 1. It means 1 minus 1. It means 1 minus 1 divides 0, and it should undefined, right? So we can write there is no valid solution because z equals to 1 makes the denominator 0, right? Already we seen here it's become 0, which is undefined, right? If undefined, so it's not possible to become z equals to 1. Therefore the given equation has no solution. Okay, hope you clear this one. It's a very important thing for understanding that these kinds of equation sometime we cannot find or we cannot determine the result. We can also say this is null set or empty set. Number 11, we can start from here. Here is 1 by x plus 1 divide x plus 1 equals to 2 by x minus 1. So first this one and this one we can make LCM. So x plus 1. So here is x plus 1 plus x equals to 2 divide x minus 1. We will find out the solution set, right? Now look, this one is x plus x, it will be 2x plus 1 divide x plus 1 equals to 2 by x minus 1, right? Now we can cross multiply. It means 2x plus 1 and here is x minus 1 equals to 2x plus 1, right? So we can multiply 2x times x, it will be 2x square, then minus 2x, then plus x, then minus 1 equals to, here is also same thing, 2x square plus 2x. Now we can transfer variable to left side. So 2x square minus 2, here is look minus 2x and plus x, so it will be minus x, right? And then we can write this minus 2x square and minus 2x equals to this minus 1 become plus 1, right? So now 2x square and minus 2x square out, so here is minus x and minus 2x, it will be minus 3x equals to 1. So once we divide both sides by minus 3, so the result will be x equals to minus 1 by 3. We can write divide both sides by minus 3. Okay, so our answer is minus 1 by 3. So we can write solution set x equals to second bracket, inside second bracket, minus 1 by 3. This is our answer and our video also done. We are trying to solve these three math which is very important for examination, especially SSC, IGCSE, SAT and CBCSE. So no more today. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.